Imagine this. You're anchored in the world's largest swimming pool. And beneath the crystal clear water, something ancient lurks. Something so big, it can make your heart skip a beat.
I lost my jet!
Right beneath our keel, another world exists. A world of wonder and majesty, waiting to be explored. So for the next few days, we lined up a bunch of epic activities.
Oh my god. I cannot think of a more beautiful place to wake up, to be honest. This is water.
Whoa.
This is crazy.
I think we arrived in paradise.
Amazing.
Wow.
Okay, come on, let's go swimming.
Beautiful morning. I'm gonna go with Warren and Erica on We Sail because we're gonna go up with the whales today, and I'm gonna join them in their dinghy because it's a little bit hard with Sierra. We were out in the dinghy for a couple of hours looking for the whales, and you never know what's gonna happen, so it's tricky to have her out there with us. So Brian is gonna stay behind today and I'm gonna go, and yeah, hopefully we'll see some whales.
So we set off into the deep blue to try to find these majestic creatures. Our first mission was more a reconnaissance to see if we could even find them. The plan was to observe them from a distance before venturing any closer.
That fisherman held its arm up.
And not before long, we spotted them.
Oh, down at the surface.
Two.
Yep. We spotted a mama and a baby.
At this point, I was both nervous and excited. It was a moment of such anticipation and awe as we slowly approached these gentle giants. As they emerged from the depth, the sheer size of these creatures began to sink in. Their power and strength is undeniable, yet every motion they take, every graceful glide through the water is a captivating display of elegance. As we sat, looked face to face, it was such a beautiful moment, leaving me deeply humbled. And this was just our first encounter. I couldn't wait to spend more time in the water with these gentle giants. But first...
Today's video is sponsored by AG1. It's been part of our morning routine on Delos for over a year now, and I love it. AG1 is a daily foundational nutrition supplement that supports whole body health. Each pouch has a dose of supplements, including multivitamin and minerals, pre- and probiotics, green superfood, stress adaptogen, and immune and cognitive support. If you were to pay for each of these separately, it would be about $225. But with AG1, it's only $79 and it covers all your bases.
All it takes is 8 ounces of water, 1 scoop of powder, shake, and that's it. I like to drink it with cold water, and it kind of reminds me of a crisp apple. It's really delicious. It's my way of making sure I get all the things I need by nourishing my whole body, gut, and brain in one go.
AG1 is the simplest, highest quality foundational nutrition supplement out there, and it's led the category since 2010.
It's really easy to get started. Just visit drinkag1.com/svdelos today.
If you do, you'll get 5 free travel packs of AG1 powder and a 1-year supply of vitamin D3 plus K2 drops.
Awesome.
And support our project at the same time.
That's a plus.
Bonus. Thanks for watching.
Back to the show. Where are you going, Sierra?
You're going someplace called Aqua Splash.
It's like the 2 or 1.5 weeks left of summer camp because people are off work here. So we're gonna try to put Sierra in a Polynesian summer camp for a week and a half. And you already have one friend that we know that we met before.
Mm-hmm. And your friends next to you? Yeah.
Yeah,
So Sierra's gonna go and play with some kids. Are you excited?
there's too many kids.
So many kids, huh?
Ah!
Okay, let's go. This is gonna be so fun.
Yay!
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Miss you. See you soon.
Have fun!
With newfound time on our hands, we geared up for a series of adventures that may have proven a bit challenging with a little one in tow. We decided to go on a little walk today. So we've got a group of friends from the Anchorage. Good friend Octavia is joining us, who we haven't seen in ages, since the Caribbean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's like a 3-mile walk.
Maybe that ridge right there? But it's a really nice clear day today, so it should be good. And Sierra is in daycare, so we're hiking without a baby for the first time ever.
Crazy. I don't have to carry Sierra.
It's so wild doing stuff when she's not here. It's like, yeah, it's just different.
That's why I tried. Okay, we're at 820 feet. And we're going up to 1,000.
You said 900, now you changed it to 1,000. Holy. Whew. I am so hot. I had to put my hair up and let my belly out.
It rained.
You do look like it's rained.
It's disgusting.
So much sweat.
Sorry.
Did we make it?
I think so. We're at the top of something.
Oh, no way.
That's amazing view. Definitely worth it.
Is that peanut butter and jelly?
It's the best suspension.
Is that a hair in it? Whose hair is that?
Hair is that?
Guilty!
That is not my
It's long
hair.
and blonde.
Sorry. Ew.
What? It's your hair. I love you. I just really like that.
So we think it's a kind of like a dive site right off the stern of the boat.
We're doing so much fun activities now. It's amazing.
We can go diving without like organizing a babysitter and everything. It's kind of crazy. Like to think that, I don't know, you can have it like this. I guess we have one more day tomorrow and then summer camp is finished because the school starts. I know.
I love summer camp.
We only got like a few days, but it's better than nothing and I think she's had a blast. So I'm really happy about that. Let's go diving.
This Anchorage really is beautiful. It makes so much difference having clear water where you can see the bottom.
I know.
That was a cool dive. It's cool to end up at the boat.
Uh-oh. Who did that?
Somebody that starts with a B put a wet wipe down the toilet.
It was my mistake. I was a little sleepy. Yeah, that's my bad. Sorry about that. It just got stuck in the macerator, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was an early morning and I was taking Sierra to Aqua Splash and Kaza handed me the potty and a wet wipe and I assumed it was toilet paper and threw it in there, and then when you push the button it went and made a noise like the macerator was clogged up because the macerator was clogged up with the wet wipe. So Kaza's taking one for the team this morning, which I appreciate because I don't like smells and toilets and all that stuff.
Okay, so it's all back together and time to test it. Oh yeah. Took one for the team. It's working, Sierra.
Yay!
Today was Sierra's last day of school and the last chance for Kaz and I to dive together. After missing out on yesterday's encounter, I was keen to get in the water and give it a shot. And boy, I'm sure as hell glad we did.
What a beautiful morning. This is incredible. Brian just left with Sierra and the wind has calmed down and we're just gonna go out looking for whales. This might be one of the only times me and Brian can go out together. We can take turns and go out with friends and stuff, but yeah, to go together, this is super exciting. I've packed sunscreen, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but now I'm gonna make some breakfast, pack cameras, and then we can go as soon as Brian comes back.
Yeah, I saw it. There they are.
So we've spotted some whales. We'll see where they come up and if we want to jump in.
As we ventured in, we spotted them lingering in the depths, a silent, mysterious presence below. Then, as if responding to our presence, they surfaced. It was as if their curiosity drew them in to check us out. But it was different this time around. It was as if they had a different plan altogether. It seems that whales, just like people, have different moods. And today's mood was much more playful. These gentle giants were doing their own thing, not swimming away, but definitely not ignoring us. To see such a giant creature being playful and having fun is a realization that we share much more with the animal kingdom than we realize. Being able to get this close to an intelligent wild animal that can easily squash you like a bug, but somehow knows not to, is a bucket list experience that I will never forget.
They're so chill. Amazing. Well, like, holy shit, that was so cool.
Nagi's like a swimming pool.
Whoa, look at all that.
Yeah, it's swimming pool.
Swimming pool?
Yeah.
How much water is it in Maggie?
So many.
How was daycare, Sierra? Did you have fun at summer camp?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Play.
You played?
Pee.
You peed?
Eat.
You ate? What did you eat? Did you sleep?
No.
You were sleeping when I got there. Do you have any new friends?
Yeah. How my son?
Your son? Wow.
Anyways. With school out, it was sadly time for us to say goodbye to this incredible place. And as we set sail, we were escorted out in style. With our buddy boat beside us, we hoisted the sails for a chilled afternoon sail. Or so we thought.
Wow, I can see the belly of Delos. Wow! Oh my God! Look at her! Phew! It is so epic.
Okay, go.
I'm moving in the wrong throat.
The wrong throat.
It's gonna zoom right into your face.
Don't do that ever.
Hi. Hi. There's so many kids.
So many kids.